Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel LinguaInsights. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and most merciful. This is Mavish Rana once again with you with another interesting topic, that is past simple. You know very well today I'm going to discuss past simple tense, and nowadays I'm just discussing tenses. I hope you are learning something from my videos. If you want to learn something, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel LinguaInsights, and don't forget to press the bell icon for regular updates. So let's discuss past simple tense. First of all, I will discuss that when to use the past simple tense. We use the past simple tense to talk about actions that happen and were completed in the past. That is all about in the past. Past means that is already done in the past. Actions that occurred at a specific time in the past, actions in a sequence of events in the past. Each and everything that is done in the past, we will use past indefinite tense here. Guys, here are some examples that completed action. I visited London last year. Specific time, she met her friends at 8 p.m. yesterday. Sequence of events, she wake up, got dressed and went out. These three examples are, the best and fit examples for the past indefinite simple tense. So now let's talk about how to use positive structure of past simple tense. All the subjects take the past form. V2 means verb की second form. Subject pronoun plus V2. First of all, subject pronoun, that will be called pronoun also, and the second form of verb, like he at lunch an hour ago. So you can see that at is the second form of the verb, he is the subject and pronoun also. My mom went to Istanbul last night. So my is pronoun. My mom is the subject, noun also. Went is the second form of verb, right? So this is the best example of past simple tense. Let's talk about how to make a negative structure of past simple tense. All the subjects take didn't and the base form of verb of the verb. गाइज मैंने आपको लास्ट स्लाइड में ये बताया कि जब हम पास्ट इनडेफिनिट टेंस को जनरेट करते हैं तो हम वर्ब की सेकंड फॉर्म को यूज करते हैं, क्योंकि हमारा जो एक्शन है, जो काम है, वो पास्ट में कंप्लीट हुआ होता है। लेकिन आपने एक बात को ज़हन में रखना है कि जब हम इसका नेगेटिव स्ट्रक्चर बनाते हैं तो फिर हम वर्ब की सेकंड फॉर्म नहीं, हम वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म यूज करते हैं। यू विल ऐड डिड एंड नॉट for negative structure and use the first form of verb. Keep in mind, I am repeating my words. If you are making negative structure of past indefinite tense, you will add did, not, and first form of verb. You will use first form of verb in past indefinite negative structure. Otherwise, you will use second form of verb for positive structure. So let's have an example. Like he didn't study maths yesterday. I did not go to school last week. So you can see study and go are the first form of verb. Why the first form of verb are used? Because we use did not. When did is added, you will add first form of verb. I hope you are learning something. You got my point. So let's move toward another slide. Now the question is that how to make the question structure of past simple tense. We use did before the subject. The verb is base form verb first. We first. It means we use did and we add did at the beginning of the sentence. The structure will be the same like the negative structure, but we will not use not with them. Just in question statement. Did plus subject pronoun plus we first. This is the structure of question structure. Like, did you read a book yesterday? Did is in the beginning of the sentence. Then we are using pronoun. Then we use first form of verb and then object. In the second form of examples, we will see that did he go to the bed late last night? So you can see how the question structure is created by following the rules. I have talked about in my previous lectures about the regular and irregular verbs. Here is an attention for you. In the English language, the verbs are divided into two, regular and irregular. I have also discussed with you in my previous lectures. Now I am repeating my words. Regular verbs from their past forms by adding d, ed or ied to the base form. Irregular verbs do not follow a consistent pattern for their past forms. Each irregular verb has a unique past form. What is meant by regular verbs? Let's discuss. By using ed, ied, we use these form of verb with these words. These are called regular verbs. So let's look an example. How to spell, like if the verb ends in a silent e, simply add d. Like live, lived, hate, hated, bake, baked. Form of verb, simply add ed. Like talk, talked, clean, cleaned, watch, watched. How to spell? If the verb ends in a consonant y, change the y to a I and add ed. Like cry, cried, carry, carried, study, studied. So guys, I'm going to discuss irregular verbs. As I have already told you, that have some unique pattern. We don't use add, d, ed or ied with this form of verbs. They have their own unique pattern of the verbs. So let's have an example. Here is a list of some of the most common irregular verbs that are used in our language. You can see on your screen that be was were, begin began, bite bit, break broke, bring brought, build built, buy bought, catch caught, come came, cut cut, do did, draw drew, drink drank, drive drove, eat ate, fall fell, feel felt, find found, fly flew, get got, give gave, go went, grow grew, have had, keep kept, know knew, leave left. So these are some common regular irregular verbs that are used in English language. I hope you are learning something and getting my point. There are also some time expressions. Let's discuss. We usually use the following time expressions like yesterday, ago, last. For example, my dad did not go to work yesterday. I learned Spanish last year. We visited Bracolna 2 years ago. Thank you for watching Lingua Insights. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your listening. Thank you for your attention. Stay connected with Lingua Insights for more engaging and interacting videos. Always be optimistic. Believe in your hard work. Have a blessed day ahead. Inshallah, we will meet with another video. Allah Hafiz.